So you want to know how to make abstract backgrounds. Abstract backgrounds are probably one of the most easiest things I've done. You just need to learn like what to do first. Like I can't really explain it. You just have to like understand it. Once you understand it, then you can fully like do it. So first you want to do is just get any shape. It can be any shape. And afterwards just want to place it anywhere. Maybe fix up the color. Fill. Let me put it to like straight blue. And then afterwards I'm gonna duplicate it, layer on top of each other, and merge it. That literally does nothing else to it except make it selectable. Like that. Because before it's not selectable. I don't know why, but when you just use just straight shapes, you can't select it. You can't really do nothing with it. It sucks. So then after that, you want to go to format, arrange. This part's important. And alpha lock. What this does, when you try to draw on it, I need to use a different color. Wait. Okay, no, that did not work out. Let me use red then. You see how it doesn't go to anywhere else? If I wasn't using alpha lock, I'll show you what it looks like. And now when I try to draw on it, see, it goes on the way. So you want that alpha lock on. Let's lock it. And then what you want to do, let's go to retouch. You want to go with darken. You don't want the strength all the way up. So then you can just darken some areas. Because all abstract banners are is just lighting. You want to have one side dark, and when you go lighten, and one side bright. And afterwards, you might want to have a reflection or two. So you can easily just go like this. You could do it with square too, but I think circle just looks better a lot of times. And I go to retouch, and you can either paint it or go to darken, and you can do things like that. And then for the shadow underneath, you just want to go to the background layer. You're gonna have to do the same thing with the duplicating here, or else it won't work. Paint erase. Oh, or you can just do this. I think this is what I do the most, to be honest. Oh, shadow. And then you can just keep duplicating them. You want to have it different colors though. You don't want to keep the same color all around. It don't look good. I'm not used to making stuff like this sideways, so. Okay, if I just go straight to orange, which the color I was trying to get in the first place. Or you can just, if you want to change up the shape more, you can just select it with a rectangle. But I don't really advise doing that because then it don't look good. Just keep doing what you're doing here. Just match it. Just keep. And afterwards, you're gonna end up with a pretty nice abstract background. I literally just place it in random spots, so it doesn't even matter. You can resize it. I don't really you don't really want to resize it because then it makes it weird compared to all the other ones. It don't look natural. But you can just here and there just put it at the back. And just go with it. And a lot of times something won't look good. Like over here, I don't really have nothing to place it with. So you can just go like that. Oh. You can just do that and you're fine basically. Start placing things in random spots. Oh, did not mean to delete that. And look at boom, you got an abstract